So,
how the you hit this side of my bike from over there?
No, yeah.
How do you hit this side of my bike from over there?
You good or?
Calm down.
Huh?
Calm down.
What's good? Yeah, we're all out here, bro. Bro, like I said, it's still early. This is just the beginning. Just wait, because it's all getting crazier. Yeah, sir. Oh! That was close. Almost into the pool, bro. You good or?
Calm down.
Huh?
Bone down. His bone is out.
The bone? Oh boy.
All I see was him flying. They say he sides like him on the wheelie. Well, all I see was him flying in the air. I was going this way and I just seen him.
What was he on?
On the monster.
Oh, the monster dirt bike. And he hit him?
He was sitting there. I don't know what he was doing.
Damn. Oh, there's everywhere. Yeah, get him to the hospital. Wait, did that dirt biker hit you?
Bro, so I was going right here like 10 miles an hour. I was just talking to my guy. I was just taking off. I was going to go down, turn around, and come back. Because I was trying to like teach myself to do it. I was like, you know what, I was done.
Yeah.
Wasn't even doing nothing crazy. He's catwalking and comes this way. I see him. And I'm like, oh, shit. And I'm thinking he's just going to, you know, he's just going to swerve.
Yeah.
He's like coming down. I'm like, if I pick away, he might pick the same way. So I was like, dude, just do your little thing and miss me. That's what I'm thinking he's about to do, because that's what y'all
Yeah.
like this guy.
Oh, there's a cop here.
That guy. What he just fucking did. He came over, but he's paying attention. The other guy, he was looking that way. Looking that way, I could see his helmet.
So, and y'all just went like this?
Yeah, and so at the last second, I jumped my bike. I like tried to jump off of it.
Yeah.
And that's how, look right here. That's how he scraped all of this.
Ah.
Wow.
Well, I'm glad y'all didn't run straight into each other without.
No, because I dumped my.
No, yeah.
I ain't gonna say who part it was, but
It's the,
obviously it's a small road.
yeah. It's the lot though.
How the you hit this side of my bike from over there?
No, yeah.
How do you hit this side of my bike from over there? He's going this way, and he started going like this, and it came way over, and I'm going like 10 miles an hour. Hey, yo, Troll here.
Yeah, I know. Cops are here. And someone has a broken foot right now. Wow.
Hey, yo, I wonder what he's gonna do.
What?
I wonder what he's gonna do. There's like 50 people here.
He's gonna kick everyone out probably. But yeah, this is crazy. Oh, they. Someone called 911? I'm gonna see what he says. Turn your bike off. Alright gang, as you can see, someone fell, cops are here, and I guess we're leaving. Did you see it or no? Huh? Did you see it? No? It looks crazy.
As soon as I turned around, bro, this shit crashed.
Yeah.
Back it down.
Sheesh. Got dank wheelie. Scary on that Ninja, bro. It's a big bike. That's a big old bike right there, dude. 636 or 600. I don't know. I don't know what bike that is. Let's go. Everyone coming in hot, boy. Yamaha. You ain't hot wearing a goddamn face mask?
Nah, not really. I'm already used to it.
You're crazy, bro. Let's see it. Yes, sir. Yeah, he's going crazy. Oh yeah, he's got to push start it. There it goes. Let's go. Ah, that was epic, bro. Yes, sir. Yo, this is crazy. Big old 125 in a TC. Woo! Smoky, man. Oh, it's a stretch DRZ, bro. Oh my lord. Hey, thank you.
When you started on the Chinese bike, do you remember when
Yeah, the SSR.
I know you from back then.
Let's go. Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Hey, well, thank you for watching, dude. I have one, yeah.
That's mine.
That's stretch.
Yeah, that's mine.
That's yours? Nice. Let's go. I saw earlier. Were you the one doing the rolling burnout?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
That was good.
Yeah. You need to put helium in your tires, bro.
Helium?
I put helium in mine.
Oh shit, why? What's the difference?
I feel like it's a little lighter.
Yeah?
Let's see the work, boy. Yes, sir. Woo! You're going crazy right there, bro. So everyone pulling up. Yes, sir. Alright, gang, there's tons of cops and shit there. So I'm gonna go right here for a second. Alright, gang. As you see, the cops came to the lot. They're literally kicking everyone out. Right when, like, someone got freaking, you know, went down at the lot. Literally, the cops came. So I guess someone called them because maybe got scared for the person who went down. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was some crazy footy while it lasted before, you know, the coppers kicked us out. Merch in the description down below. I freaking love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Like, I know every YouTuber says it, but you guys literally changed my life and let me do things like this, like ride my dirt bike and stuff. So much love. Peace.